what advantages do I have purchasing real estate through an LLC or an S Corp other than myself personally from a credit standpoint or purchasing or leverage standpoint?
The number one benefit you have by purchasing through an entity is, one, you mitigate your DTI, which stands for debt to income ratio. And so if you are putting all of those properties under your personal name, you max out based upon the amount of debt you have versus the amount of revenue and income that is coming in. And most people usually max out anywhere between 4 to 10 properties, depending on the amount of debt of those properties. When it comes to an entity, they're not necessarily looking at your debt to income ratio. They judge it based upon what is called debt servicing, meaning for every business, and because it's ran like a business, the banks will give you a commercial loan based upon, like I say, what they call debt servicing. Essentially meaning if the mortgage is $1,000, they want to see that the property is generating at least $1,000 a month in rental income. And as long as it can debt service, you can have as many entities and as many properties as possible, thus not putting you in a debt liability under your personal name. Because I've seen people where they put all of their properties under their personal name. They have a ton of equity, but because they are maxed out on their debt to income ratio, they can't even go back and refinance the properties to pull out the equity to go out and buy more properties. So you want to definitely create that division of putting your entities under your business name.